So you can automate Photoshop here. So what automate is to make actions, like run actions in, well, let me put this. So if you go to File, then you go here. So there's like this automate menu. So you can create many things. Like batch check is a menu that lets you run an action that you've done in Photoshop. And then scripts. So you can have like JavaScript or other languages. I think here even AppleScript, run it. I think you can also go into, let me see, scripts. Yeah, so file, scripts, browse. Yeah, I don't know. I don't remember now. There is, oh yeah, there is a scripts panel, right? Let me see. Scripts. I don't remember now where it was, or maybe they removed it. I don't know. I'm not sure. But yeah, you can automate Photoshop. And one way in which you can automate it is with actions. So for example, let's say that I have none of my life, right? So I have some text here. Counting that you have some text here. So let's say that I have some text here. I can make here in the bottom panel, I can make a new folder. So let's say life. And I can make an action, so test action. So you can see that here. And I just save it and click record, right? So this is now, you can see the symbol. This is now recording, and everything I do is going to be recorded here. So I'm going to select the canvas, for example. I'm going to center my text, and maybe I'm going to, so this is normal text, and I might want to rasterize it. So I make a raster image. And I don't know, now I might want to run some Gaussian blur, and now I want to do something to it. I don't know, I might want to do that. And then later, I want to put it black and white. So now I stop. This action actually is really bad. I think it proves the point. So I can go here and say, this is my new text. And I just have this here. I run my text action by clicking play. It's done all of these steps that I wanted and just reproduce them. So one thing that I found, for example, that is super nice to show actions, many times, let's just record it. So this is going to be a smoothing function. So imagine that I have, and I'm going to just put black. Imagine that I have, I don't know, some shapes. It's going to be, and these shapes have some sort of rough edges, right? So I can go to Gaussian blur again. If I do that, and now I found out you can do this, and it actually smooths out your shapes. So now we stop recording, and voila. So that's softened, right? So now I could even do shapes like this. I could bake everything, and now I click and run my action, and these have been smoothened out or whatever. So we can actually, to see that, we can actually take a snapshot of this point in time and clear my history. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to draw something. I'm going to save a snapshot of this moment. So shape 01, for example. And now I simply run my smoothing function, and that's it. And now I'm going to take another snapshot, smoothing, so shape 02, whatever. So now you see these are the two steps, and because you have a let's say parametric or like deterministic way to get from A to B, you just have to do that. You don't really need to think about it. You can just save your action and do it all the time. And I can even apply it again and again. And this shouldn't happen if I had done everything right, but I did something different. So yeah, we went from there and then to here. And there are many things that you could do. And you can also script and do many things. All right, cool. So that's Photoshop Actions. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.